Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying which part is failing, the source, the cable, or the earpiece. Plug the earbuds into a known good device and swap sides. This isolates left versus right faults. Once done, examine the cable near the jack and yoke with a magnifier to find bends, breaks, or lint. Make sure to remove debris with contact cleaner. You should have basic tools ready: a small screwdriver, tweezers, and a soldering iron if the wiring looks damaged. You now open the faulty housing or jack to access the wiring. Do this gently to avoid new breaks. Once open, identify left/right/ground wires by color and use a multimeter to check continuity. This tells you where the break is. If a wire is severed, strip a small section, twist, then solder. If the wire is brittle, replace the entire lead. Make sure to insulate each joint with heat shrink tubing or electrical tape to prevent shorts and restore strain relief to protect the repair. You finish by reassembling the housing and restoring any strain relief so the repaired spot won't flex. Then test the earbuds at low and high volumes and with another device to confirm consistent stereo and no crackling. If you still hear issues, reopen and recheck every solder joint and continuity reading. Cold solder joints often cause intermittent sound. As a final step, replace the jack or entire cable if multiple repairs fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.